Hello student, I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. All the best. Thank you for watching. A hydrocarbon has formula CXHY. Under similar condition of temperature and pressure, a hydrocarbon has formula CXHY under similar conditions of temperature and pressure. One volume of hydrocarbon require oxygen volume for combustion. You have to find it out. Okay, one volume of hydrocarbon require how much volume of oxygen for combustion? Very important, very tricky question. So they have given options to you. One volume, x plus y volume, C is x plus y by 4 and D is x plus 2y volume. So you have to think about it. For this hydrocarbon, actually this is the standard formula, that x plus x by y volume of oxygen reacted with hydrocarbon during complete combustion. Clear? This is hydrocarbon. Now, second question. The volume of oxygen at NTP required for complete combustion of 2 liter carbon monoxide CO at NTP. Options are given here. Anything I can write, but I don't want to write others. So twice of CO plus O2 gives you twice of CO2. This is complete balance equation. So 2 volume of carbon monoxide react with 1 volume of oxygen gives 2 volume of CO2. So what they have asked, they are asking volume of oxygen. Volume of oxygen will be 1 volume. Okay, because 2:1 ratio is there. For complete combustion, we need 2 volume of CO and 1 volume of oxygen, right? So it means if we are using 2 liter of carbon monoxide, 1 liter of oxygen is produced. So option B is correct. That is why I was not writing here. Here I can write on 0.2 liter. Anything this is, or only this option is correct. Clear? Again, this formula, x plus y by 4 volume of oxygen reacted with hydrocarbon. This is very important formula. You have to use always in the thermodynamics equations. Okay. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All the best. 200 ml CH4 at NTP require how much oxygen for complete combustion? Options are given to you. So we have to write down complete balance equation. CH4 plus twice of O2 gives you CO2 plus water. 1 volume of CH4 will react with 2 volume of oxygen. So 200 ml is given. So it will be twice of 200, that is 400 ml of oxygen required for the complete combustion of methane at NTP. Again I will repeat.